What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a digital and decentralized technology that maintains a continuously growing list of ordered transactions. It's the core component of digital currencies such as Bitcoin. Essentially, blockchain is a giant ledger that records digital transactions. This technology has many exciting potential uses. It can be used to track supply chains, secure data, and run business applications. Essentially, blockchain is one of the most significant technological advancements of our time. In 2009, Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper describing the concept of blockchain. He proposed a way for users to transfer and exchange information without relying on a central authority. This was revolutionary since it reduced friction and risk while also eliminating the cost of intermediaries. Blockchain has many practical uses beyond digital currency. It's particularly helpful in the banking, healthcare, food safety, and energy industries. Additionally, countries are investigating how this technology can transform their tax collection systems and regulatory frameworks. Insecure traditional databases are slowly being replaced by blockchain technology. This is because blockchain's distributed nature makes it more secure than centralized databases. The data is also more accessible since each node is connected to the network via a private internet connection. Furthermore, programmability and immutability are two additional advantages of blockchain technology. Since everyone on the network has access to the same information, changes are easily detected and corrected. Beyond digital currency, blockchain has numerous other applications in banking, business management, healthcare, land ownership, music creation, music promotion and copyright protection, shopping and e-commerce, quality control in food production and supply chains, voting control, property title registration, poetic quotations transmission and social networking. Basically, any industry that requires trackable transactions can take advantage of this groundbreaking technology. As far as we know today, blockchain isn't radically changing the world of finance or anything similar to that. However, it's still one of the most significant technological leaps forward in our lifetime. We've barely scratched the surface of what this technology can do. It's going to revolutionize everything from our money to our healthcare system to our voting process to our property registry system to our social media networks and more. Blockchain is a digital technology that facilitates online transactions and electronic data sharing, especially when dealing with the digital currency Bitcoin. Blockchain is the flagship invention of Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. It is a decentralized digital ledger system that is resistant to modification. A blockchain consists of interconnected chains of blocks, each block containing information about a specific transaction. Blockchain technology has massive potential and is being adopted in various industries as a transparency protocol, ensuring that all participants are aware of the current situation. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of digital transactions that are encrypted and chronological. Each transaction is broadcasted to all the users of the blockchain simultaneously and simultaneously recorded in the chain's blocks. Each block contains a timestamp, IP address, transaction details, transaction amounts and names of the parties involved in the transaction. Blockchain technology is an open-source software development community where anyone can join and contribute to the development of blockchain software. There are several kinds of blockchains like decentralized, consortium consensus and permission and open chains. Blockchains have many benefits compared to conventional databases. First, it's more secure as it's decentralized. There's no central point of failure or hacker access. This also makes it immune to system crashes or outages. Furthermore, changes are transparent and easily audited, which prevents manipulation and corruption. Also, transactions can be performed quickly as there are no third parties to slow down the process or charge fees. Because all transactions are recorded in a public ledger, transparency and accountability are also improved. However, not all uses of blockchain technology have been as successful as its use in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Most institutions still find it difficult to adapt to new technology considering how archaic their systems are. However, some major companies have adopted blockchain technology into their daily operations such as banking and insurance sectors. Banks find it easy to transfer money across countries using blockchain technology without worrying about transaction fees or time limits. Insurance companies can also now provide faster claims settlement processes for their clients through blockchain technology. Though still in its infancy, blockchain technology has proven itself to be a revolutionary invention with great potential for future applications in business, finance, and governance. It's currently being tested in many industries such as banking and insurance, where it can improve transparency, efficiency, and security for consumers and corporations alike. Blockchain technology is still in its developmental stage. However, it holds immense power that will be used by many in the future. The concept of blockchain technology has been around for a while, but it's only recently that the public has become aware of this revolutionary technology. Blockchain is a digital, decentralized, and encrypted system that functions as a platform for storing data. The most common application of blockchain is cryptocurrency or digital money, but the technology has many other potential uses in the financial, entertainment, medical, human rights, and political fields. Blockchain technology is a digital database whose value is derived from the transparency and accessibility of the data it comprises. Each node in the blockchain network has a copy of the entire database and access to the computations necessary to update it. Transactions are recorded in blocks and are stored in chronological order and without editing. This makes it virtually impossible to falsify data or make unauthorized changes to the information stored in the system. Since it is a digital technology, it can be used in a wide range of applications. For instance, healthcare institutions can use blockchain to store medical records securely and reliably. Banks can use it to keep track of their customers' transactions and accounts. Government bodies can use blockchain to store identity records, register ownership of property, and manage elections. Companies can use blockchain to keep track of their inventory as they manufacture products for sale. And non-profit organizations can use blockchain to record donations securely and transparently. The conceptualization of blockchain technology first appeared in a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Since then, considerable research has gone into developing practical applications for this novel tech. However, not all have managed to successfully implement them. There are still some controversies around how this tech should be implemented at different scales. This includes whether blockchain should function as a backup system or if multiple nodes should manage each node's data separately. While there's still some controversy surrounding its best use cases, blockchain technology holds great potential as an innovator in many industries. It's revolutionizing financial transactions, protecting intellectual property, recording medical data, and maintaining an ecosystem of cryptographic currencies based on cryptocurrencies. The tech has already borne fruit in various application fields and will only become more prevalent with time, giving rise to even more groundbreaking ideas. For many years, cryptocurrency and blockchain have been the talk of the town. Technology has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, as more and more people are becoming aware of it. The concept of blockchain is not entirely new, it is the result of several years of research and development. However, it is still in its early stages and has a lot of potentials. Blockchain is a digital ledger system that is maintained by various networks of computers. It is a digital database that is used to store data. Most importantly, it is an open and decentralized system that ensures data security and transparency. All data stored on the blockchain is encrypted and accessible by everyone on the network. This makes it tamper-proof and prevents accidental manipulation or deletion of data. Cryptocurrency is the most common form of cryptocurrency. It is a digital asset designed to function as a reliable medium of exchange. Cryptocurrency uses blockchain to secure transactions, create digital wallets, and verify payments. Most importantly, cryptocurrency is used to buy and sell goods and services online. There are hundreds of different types of cryptocurrency, but they all have one common trait: they use blockchain for transaction processing. Cryptocurrency has become a preferred method of payment for online purchases. Companies such as BitPay facilitate transactions between merchants and their clients through the use of cryptocurrency wallets. This way, buyers can pay without having to deal with currency conversion fees. Other companies use blockchain as the base for developing their own forms of cryptocurrency. This way, they can make their own unique forms of cryptocurrency that reflect their company's philosophy and goals. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are rapidly growing technologies, and many believe they will soon revolutionize the world. These terms describe the same concept but have very different meanings. Essentially, both refer to a digital ledger or database that contains encrypted data. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency used on a blockchain, while blockchain is the technology that powers cryptocurrency. Many believe that cryptocurrencies will soon replace traditional currency. This is because cryptocurrencies are becoming more reliable and stable than traditional currencies. The value of cryptocurrencies is also subject to market demand, unlike reserve banks where governments mandate how much money they must keep. Consequently, it's only a matter of time before cryptocurrencies take over and become the standard for financial transactions. There are many different types of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Examples include Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash and many more. Each type of cryptocurrency or blockchain has its own rules, applications and advantages. For example, Bitcoin is a digital currency with an associated blockchain, whereas Ethereum is both a digital currency and an associated blockchain. There are also many variations of these two. For example, there are over 500 variations of blockchain technology in total. The growth of blockchain and cryptocurrency is exponential at this point in time. Many believe that these technologies will soon revolutionize the way we transact online as well as offline financial transactions. However, there are downsides to this growth as well, such as increased fraud due to lack of regulation and increased spending on virtual goods instead of real goods. Until then, it'll be exciting to watch how these innovative technologies continue to reshape our world. Blockchain is the digital, decentralized, and encrypted ledger used by cryptocurrency. It is a growing list of data containing records of financial transactions. It is currently being used for a wide range of applications such as banking, digital money, and the Internet of Things. Blockchain has many positive implications for the future. A blockchain is a digital and decentralized ledger that is used as the foundation for cryptocurrency and smart contracts. It is a collection of data stored in multiple nodes and can be accessed through a program or a smartphone. Blockchain provides transparency, security, and reliability while making information accessible to all users without discrimination or variation in terms of quality. It has the potential to revolutionize business operations in societies in general by improving efficiency, transparency, and accountability. The biggest advantage of using blockchain technology is that it provides users with greater control over their data. The user has full control over where his data is stored and can access and modify it at any time. Furthermore, all transactions are secured by encryption and are permanently recorded on the platform's digital ledger. This makes it possible to track all assets or information on the blockchain with great accuracy and precision. In addition to being used in banking and finances, blockchain is also being used for KYC, Know Your Customer, in banks as well as regulatory oversight for various industries such as healthcare, food, beverages and tobacco products. Because of its immense potential, many institutions are currently experimenting with blockchain technology. Most notable among these is the financial sector, where it's used for banking transactions, payments, securities trading and capital management among others. Other industries adopting blockchain in various ways include insurance, real estate, energy, shipping, telecommunication, government, sports and entertainment, just to name a few. Although still in its infancy, blockchain technology has great potential to transform many industries in the future. As this revolutionary technology spreads, new possibilities will arise in every field of human endeavor. Beyond the transfer of value or information, this technology will grant us access to new business models such as ICOs, initial coin offerings, DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, or peer-to-peer trading networks. As this tech continues to spread among the general public, we are bound to see even more exciting uses. A blockchain is a digital, distributed, public, digital, distributed ledger technology. ADLT is a digital ledger system that is mostly used in banking and trading applications. Blockchain consists of nodes and blocks. Each block consists of information such as transactions, data storage, cryptocurrency generation, and more. The information stored on the blockchain is encrypted and processed through a peer-to-peer network with no central authority or control. This makes it secure, reliable, and transparent. Cryptocurrency is the first use of blockchain technology in economics. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency designed with blockchain technology to function as money substitutes. The first use of cryptocurrency was gold coins in ancient Greece and Rome. By transferring and storing data in a distributed fashion through a peer-to-peer network, blockchain technology can be used to create highly secure computer systems. Cryptocurrency has also become an efficient way for individuals to transfer funds immediately and easily with little cost or delays. Blockchain has many applications besides cryptocurrency. It can be used to store medical records, cookies, stocks and bonds, logistics data, government data and much more. It has the ability to transform how we interact with technology by making it easy and safe. Companies can use blockchain to transmit logs efficiently while reducing errors such as logging in multiple times or not logging at all. Governments can use blockchain to securely store their citizen records such as birth certificates or vehicle registrations. Despite its recent emergence into the limelight, blockchain technology has been quietly percolating for quite some time now. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we transact and record information, and it certainly has other applications as well. For now, it's too early to tell just how far this new technology will take us.